channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I am very excited to be sharing with you a little unboxing. Now, I have to caveat this by saying, you guys know if you've seen my recent videos that I am saving for a particular bag. So I told myself I was not going to buy any more SLGs or anything like that because I have my eye on the prize. However, this is actually an item that I had ordered about 2 months ago, and it just happened to come in. It actually just came in yesterday, and my SA was kind enough to overnight it to me, and I am super excited to share it. I think I did mention in another video that I had something that I had ordered and I was just waiting for it to come in, and I'm really excited about this particular piece because I don't own anything like it. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see what I picked up in my little tiny Louis Vuitton unboxing, then keep watching. Okay, so first off, I want to share, if you guys didn't check out my recent luxury makeup haul, make sure to do so. I picked up a couple of really good products, but I wanted to share what I'm wearing today because sometimes you guys will ask me, so I will be sure to mention these and then I'll link them down below. But I picked up this Chanel, this is called oh gosh, I can't see you guys, I'm getting old here, Le Rouge Duo Ultra Tenue Gloss. This is in light mauve. I have it on today. It's a liquid lipstick. You let it dry for about a minute and then you apply a gloss over it. I love it. This might be my new favorite color. I think it's perfect for spring, but it's in light mauve. And then I also, look how pretty this is. I was super excited about this because it's a YSL little clutch, but it also doubles as like an eyeshadow palette as well. So I use these guys over here on my face today. I use them on my eyes. I used it on my cheek. I used a little bit of highlighter. So I did use these two items along with the bronzer that I picked up as well. So I will link these down below, but if you didn't check out that video and you love makeup, make sure to do so because I think I picked up a lot of really fun things. Okay, so now let's get into this one. As I stated, I did order this about 2 months ago. And when I saw that this collection was coming out, this was the first piece that I was like, I need this. Well, you don't really need it, but you know, I would love to add it to my collection. So I emailed my SA and he was like, there is a waiting list, but I can add you to the list. And when it comes in, you know, I'll contact you. So let's go ahead and get into this right here. It came in this little box. Ribbon. Here is the box, and this is the first time I am seeing it as well. Okay, it comes in this little dust bag. The item I picked up, oh, I'm so excited. Can you feel my excitement? Is the, oh, you ready? Oh my goodness, so pretty. This is from the men's collection. It is from the watercolor collection, and it is the card holder. You guys, first I have to tell you, if you guys recall, I want to say it was like a year or two ago, they had the cloud collection, and there was an organizer that I fell in love with it, and I wanted it so bad, but I wasn't able to get it. I saw it on the pre-love markup, but it was going for like $1,000, and I'm like, I just can't pay that for like an SLG, but I guess it does depend on how much you want it, but I really, really wanted that piece, and I wasn't able to get it. So when I saw they were coming out with this like watercolor print, I'm like, you know what? This is absolutely perfect. So it has the LV here, and then on the back, the thing that I love is it has a pocket, so you can slip your ID in there. You guys know I'm all about like easy access when it comes to your ID and cash and stuff, so I will kind of show you what fits. But then on the interior, oh, it's this beautiful blue. So it currently has this in it. It's this beautiful blue. So you have a card slot here, a card slot here, so 2 on one side. Then you have 3 here, a little card slot here, and then 1 behind there as well. So this is perfect if you're someone that really likes to just strictly carry cards and maybe like a little bit of cash. Again, it is from the men's collection, but how beautiful is this? You guys know that I did pick up the Elizabeth pencil pouch, and I have absolutely been loving the Elizabeth pencil pouch. I use it as a keep all in my purse, so I will link that video down below if you want to check that unboxing video out, because I share with you what fits in that pouch, and I also share with you what bags it fits in as well. So this piece I actually ordered way before I ordered the pencil pouch. So if you're looking for this, number is M80456. So cute. I'm so excited about it. It is so pretty. It has the LV, the beautiful watercolor, the pocket on the back, and then the beautiful blue interior. So I want to kind of show you, I have a couple cards, just like little gift cards, and I want to kind of show you how things would fit. Like pretend this is your ID. You can put that there and that would fit perfectly. You know, I actually think this will be great like if you go to the airport and you travel, because you can put your ID in there and then you can put little cards in here. So let me just kind of show you like how it will look with cards in there. You can slip a little card right here. You can put one, you know, right there. There's a back pocket, and then there are 3 slots there. So, oh my gosh, I have to tell you, I think I love this even more than I thought I would. I really do think I'm going to get good use out of this. Again, I am someone who definitely carries cards. So I would say the way that I'm probably going to use it, again, I'm going to put my ID back here, or maybe a major credit card. And then I would say comfortably you can fit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can put one behind each of these. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would say 7 comfortably. And then in addition, you can put like a major credit card in your ID. But how pretty is this, you guys? If this is something that's been on your wish list, I really hope you're able to get it. Again, the number is M80456. So now what I want to do, let me go ahead and let me insert some close-ups just so you can really see how beautiful this card holder is. Okay guys, there you have it. This was a quick and easy unboxing. I am super excited about this little card case. Like I said, I don't have anything like this in my SLG collection, so I really think it's going to be a functional piece, especially when I travel. I did not realize that it had this outside pocket, and you know how much I love my pockets. So I'll try to find this piece on Fashionphile. If I can't find this piece, I'll try to find similar items and I'll link them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.